Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern McDowell County in western North Carolina, western Rutherford County in western North Carolina, eastern Henderson County in western North Carolina, western Polk County in western North Carolina, eastern Buncombe County in western North Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 10:51 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar with automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the whole area. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen at 6 a.m. Flash flooding is likely occurring again shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Black Mountain, Swananoa, Fairview in Buncombe County, Tryon, Old Fort, Saluda, the Rock State Park, Batkitt and Blue Ridge Parkway, Craggy to Little Switzerland. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. The Rocky Broad River was at 6.46 feet and rising at 11:45 a.m. and will continue to rise. At this level, campgrounds below Batkitt in Rutherford County near Lake Lurley need to be evacuated. Swannanoa River at Black Mountain was at 9.19 feet and rising at 11:45 a.m. and will continue to rise. At this level, the river will exceed its banks and will flood adjacent low-lying areas, including parts of Meadows Park. In hilly and mountainous terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which can be dangerous in heavy rain. Low-water crossings can be submerged by flood waters quickly and without warning. Never attempt to travel across flooded crossings.
What is that?
Find an alternate route. It takes only a few inches of swiftly flowing water to carry vehicles away. The additional heavy rain will increase the risk of landslides, especially in areas where slides have occurred in the past. Be especially alert if you are near a stream, especially at the base of a mountain or...
What's this dang thing?
This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazard.